Founders often believe that scaling a company is a simple equation: acquire more customers and watch the revenue climb. But that obsession with top-line growth usually masks a dangerous operational strain happening beneath the surface. As your revenue expands without a matching internal infrastructure, the company experiences business entropy. The internal processes simply break down under the weight of the new volume. The root cause of this breakdown is operating in what we call the inactivated universe. In this state, a business relies on a patchwork of entirely fragmented, disconnected services. You hire one consultant to register the company, a completely different chartered accountant for your income tax, another agent for GST, and yet another lawyer for compliance. None of their systems talk to each other. You cannot build a durable, high-growth company on a fragmented foundation. These disconnected silos create massive blind spots, guaranteeing serious financial leaks and legal vulnerabilities as you try to grow. Let's look at how this plays out in a real tax compliance scenario. Because these workflows are isolated, a minor accounting error in one department's spreadsheet inevitably triggers a compliance failure or a heavy penalty in another. When it comes to basic income tax return filing, the sheer volume of required documentation shows exactly how crucial data slips through the cracks when managed by multiple separate entities. The official ITR list reveals the immediate burden. Taxpayers must compile personal documents, PAN, Aadhaar, Form 16, and salary slips. But under business income, complexity multiplies. Now you must perfectly track profit and loss, balance sheets, and GST returns. A disjointed network of independent consultants simply cannot manage this level of interconnectivity efficiently. They are reviewing the data in isolation, months after the transactions actually occurred. The solution is to stop chasing individual consultants. To survive and scale, founders must activate a single, unified business operating ecosystem where every data point is synchronized. This is the purpose of the Start Business Ecosystem by Zumosun. It replaces that fragmented network of external consultants with a singular, interconnected infrastructure. The first stage in this evolutionary framework is the Activated Universe and Civilization, or AUC. This phase focuses entirely on establishing a flawless legal and structural architecture for your company. Modern corporate incorporation is highly complex. It requires navigating multi-step government verifications, like securing digital signature certificates, director identification numbers, and the Memorandum of Association. This MCA document mandates a strict sequence. First, submit a name booking request in Part A before completing registration data in Part B. Further down, it demands a formal announcement of all subscribers and first directors. Coordinating multiple stakeholders leaves zero room for error. AUC activation ensures a business is structurally fortified to interact securely with government and financial frameworks from its very first day of existence. Once structurally activated, the business must be optimized for daily execution. This is the second evolutionary stage, the Ease of Civilization, or EOC. EOC connects your daily operations. Instead of manually transferring numbers at the end of the month, your raw accounting data flows seamlessly and automatically into your GST return filing and ITR preparation. Traditional tax seasons are defined by chaos, missing receipts, and panicked emails. Within the Zumosun ecosystem, compliance execution is a predictable, step-by-step reality. This document outlines the exact workflow. From the Step 1 consultation through tax computation to return filing in Step 8, it is a rigid 9-step sequence. The complete compliance ecosystem below shows this operates concurrently with your daily accounting, audit services, and ROC compliance. The Ease of Civilization stage effectively replaces operational chaos with intelligent systems. It provides founders the exact clarity and control you would expect from a full-time virtual CFO. Which brings us to the final evolutionary stage, the Exponential Universe and Civilization, or EUC. This is the ultimate state of a perfectly integrated business. In the EUC state, routine compliance is fully automated. By removing these daily friction points, the founder can prioritize strategic expansion over manual paperwork. This state enables the direct management of advanced growth mechanisms, specifically trademark and IP-on protection, which secure brand assets for global reach. This level of structural soundness and risk mitigation is the exact prerequisite required to attract institutional investors and venture capital. Attempting to skip straight to this exponential growth stage while still relying on fragmented, disjointed consultants is mathematically impossible. The weak foundation will always collapse. Innovative products drive initial interest, but an intelligent, unified operating system drives sustainable scale. Activate your entire business ecosystem and begin building your integrated infrastructure on Zumosun.